Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. So today we will talk about substrings and method. So the first question is, what does it mean? It means substring. And when we are talking about substring, a substring is a portion of a string. We can extract substrings using slicing. We are starting with a start tag like index to begin the slice, that is known as inclusive. And ending, we are talking about ending point, that is indexing to stop the slice, that is known as exclusive part. So uh, common string method for substring, like Python provides multiple built-in method to manipulate or search substring, and we are finding some results or returns the index of the first occurrence of the substring. So we can say the all substrings are classified into major categories, that is find, replace, split, strip, and another known as slicing. So in this slide we will talk about the actual explanation of substrings and two commonly used strings method in Python, that is len and str. So let's break it down in detail. So part 1. Part 1, it means substrings in Python. A substring is a smaller portion of a string in Python. Substrings are accessing using indexing or slicing. So given portion S is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That Python uses zero based indexing, meaning the first character has index 0. Apart from this, S3 accessing the character at the index 3. So we are talking about 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The index 3 is 3. So when we say 1 raised to 4, that's slicing the string from index 1 up to but not including index 4. So and so on, slice from index 2 to end of the string. That output will be 2, 3, 4, 5. And then S4, the slice from the beginning up to index 4, that output shows the 0, 1, 2, 3. So access the second last character using negative indexing. So output is completely 4. And then part 2, a string method, that is known as len string. It returns the number of a character in a string. For example, a single x is equal to hello. We are talking about x is equal to hello. Then we can say, because there are 6 characters in hello, so we can say the len length string. And when we talk about structure object, that it returns a string representation of the object, then it converts any object like numbers into a string. So we are summarizing this slide. The expression output explanation S3 character at index 3. When we talk about 1 colon 4, 1 2 3 from index 1 to 3, and S2 colon, that is 2 to 2 3 4 5 from index 2 to end, and S colon 4, 0 1 2 3 from beginning to index 3, and last S minus 2, that is 4 second last character. So LEN ABC, 3 length of a string, it converts the number into a string. So I hope you understood the concept of substring and method. In next video, we will discuss about the string formatting. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel too. Thanks for watching.